The university life of your dreams amid the vibrancy of the Big Apple awaits at 98 Jefferson St, Brooklyn. Your sweet non-en-suite comes with a dreamy, full-sized bed that'll make you hit snooze each time, a spacious closet, an ideal study nook to crush academics, and a smart TV for entertaining breaks. The cool air conditioning keeps you comfy even in the harshest of summers. From basics like water, electricity, and gas, to extra amenities like heat and weekly housekeeping, this property has you covered. Tackle heaps of laundry effortlessly with the in-unit facilities. Then unwind with a stroll in the gorgeous backyard or with mesmerising views from the rooftop. Campus at Pratt Institute and St Joseph's University, just minutes away by car. Make your adventures around NYC smooth as ever with a bus from the range of Myrtle Avenue bus stops, or just hop on the subway from Myrtle Avenue Station, all just a sweet stroll away. Make the most of your student life in New York. Book your spot at 98 Jefferson St, Brooklyn today with amberstudent.com.